you on goddamn video, man.
She loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So today, well, actually first off, shout out Rhonda. Hit her up for all your needs. But today I'm gonna be working on a Lexus. I got Godspeed arms. These are the tie rods. I got trailer arms, I got lowers. I'm waiting on the uppers to come in. They haven't shut up yet. But cheapest of the cheap, man, because I'm gonna break it anyways. But got all those. I'm going to throw all that on. I've been trying to put together a exhaust, because this is all that's left of mine currently. But I need to cut the flat out of this so I can weld in a piece of flat stock to fix that, and then I got the rest of the pipe there, but we're gonna figure that out later. But before I get into all that, I need to change the oil on my daily. Alright. That's literally everything you need to change the oil on a GS300. Shout out Highway 58. GS300 daily is getting a cheap oil. I usually put this in everything. I don't know, it gives me peace of mind. So, I will. Alright, so oil's changed on that car. Now we're over here. I had to find my lug nut key. All right, wheels off. So, already got lower control arm. Uppers aren't here yet. I gotta change this tie rod here and this trailer arm. Boom. There's one of them off. I'm just gonna set it to stock length for now, because I'm not gonna be doing any alignment stuff today. One arm down. I need to get a hammer. Old. One side done. For some reason, these Godspeed parts don't match the color, but oh well. These two do. Alright, passenger side's done. I'm about to move over to the driver, snap that out real quick. There's no the old ones. Adjustable junk.
shot should be a little bit faster, hopefully. Now that I've done it once.
Did you already torque them?
I just checked one wheel and they're like not even close like to the
Torque spec?
well, no, they were like way tight.
Over?
Yeah.
I guess that's good. Not such a bad thing.
You've had the red ones on the bottom for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah, I've had those for a while. But you can only do so much with them.
And the parts you're adding in is just like the front side of it.
Yeah, because like once you can adjust this so much, but then it just starts pushing it all like this way. So it doesn't matter.
On this side. Yeah, move it all the same way. Most cars, the lower control arms.
Actually, like center with the other one, but
Oh, here for some reason. Persuasion. It's a little blown out, what'd you say?
it's not supposed to move at all.
It's not supposed to move, what do you mean?
Well, it's supposed to move, but with under the car's weight, you shouldn't be able to move it with your hand.
You're just gonna do an eyeball in right here?
I'm gonna
To get it
eyeball
over there?
Yeah, just get it over there. Then I'm gonna have them do a professional one, and then I'll go back and
Which is just adjusting like a couple degrees here and there.
yeah, so it won't be
Off.
boom. Yeah, so I just so it's a bit more flush.
Yeah, because if you did, I mean, it probably wouldn't even fit. It probably hit the couch.
Yeah, oh, it's pretty close to it. It's like
Yeah,
barely
if you
there.
didn't have the spacers, there's no way that shit would.
I think I've always run spacer back here.
Good enough.
You just missing a lug nut.
Yeah, I think I'm missing a lug nut on every wheel. Alright, got both sides done. If you can see them under here or not. You can see one of them. Yeah, a little bit. They're on there. I didn't do an alignment or bolt or tighten anything down because I'm gonna come back and do that later because it's gonna be a while before this thing's off jack stands. So. But right now, I need to pull my belt and a spark plug off so I can see what's under warranty. Put my jack hand on. Belt's off. I'm about to do a power steering pump, replace all my lines. I'm gonna pull the rack. I don't really know how to tell if a rack's good or bad, but it's not leaking. It just needs bushings really bad. I don't know if you can see it, but they're blown out. I don't think I pulled these out in a while. Oh, there she is. Oh, it ripped. Definitely needed. Set part number BKR6EX-11. Bro,
was listening to some bangers, bro. Some bops.
Are you still repping the Red Fox, bro?
No free promotion from me.
You look like a hood rat, man.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2022 still out here packing big old Charles. So we got Lexus LS400 already installed the brake dust. 20Z, already know we don't play it right now. This is our boy Birds. We got it for a good deal. It's loud as shit. We're about to clean her up, scrub the roof good. Somebody doing my part. John, you gonna talk about the car? I gotta do the work.
What we doing, Berg?
Alright, give it a second. You gotta let it, just keep spraying it. That's how it comes out. Keep spraying.
I got on the soap shoes.
I got on my soap shoes and I ain't about to go grind on some bitches, man. Let's get baby. I love you guys. I'm only gonna grind on you till I die. I will die grinding on your ass.
Where is this soap come from?
Get the water going,
It's leaking on me. Look at scrubbing with his shoes. Let me hear a little wop wop. No, officer, I don't have loud mufflers. I ain't got no mufflers.
I ain't got no mufflers. It sounds good though.
You got a dead body in this bitch?
I got that polo shirt behind that. My boys in here, boy. Look at that. I got them bushes in here, boy. Beef. No, I'm not gonna worry about the